Hey guys, so I'm here in the Basque Country and I'm going to the Cristobal Balenciaga Museum. He was born in this town and I'm going to see the Rachel L. Mellon collection. Okay, the event is just about to begin. Looking forward to it.
Difícil en el que se decide prescindir de algo íntimo.
Fun day, and here comes a storm, a change, a fresh change after a really cool day here at the Balenciaga Museum. Thanks guys for subscribing, for liking,